Hi, Sean O'Haron here with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful 2020 brand new Sea Ray 19 SPX-OB. OB is for outboard. As you can see, that is the new Mercury Pro XS 115 horsepower outboard. Looking in the boat, it's got a very nice seating arrangement. It's got a nice aft bench with a nice aft sun pad. Nice swim platform, easy to get on and off from the swim ladder. And then you got your ski pylon right there for water sports, wake surfing, any of the stuff that everybody loves to do. Nice storage cooler as you board the boat. Captain gets his own or her own bucket seat. Nice lounge on the port side, and there's that aft bench with ample seating. Nice easy step in. You'll see cup holders everywhere, speakers, nice fusion stereo system, more cup holders. There's that lounge. Plenty of storage underneath that aft sun lounge. Moving over to the helm, you got your fusion stereo, your analog gauges for easy, quick visibility, 12-volt outlets to charge your phone, more storage, both a cabinet and also a glove box on the port side with an additional cup holder again. Bow seating with 2 more fusion stereo speakers, and nice easy area if you beach the boat to step on and off with the non-skid. Coming around, there's a nice cockpit view. This is Sean O'Haron with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give me a call if you want to set up an appointment to see this or any of our boats, and we'll be happy to show them to you.